Enough. Welcome to the show, you guys. Welcome to Secrets of the Mind of a Man, where we talk about how men think when it comes to dating, relationships, and love. And I'm your man, KTJ, former men's counselor turned love coach. And today, we're reacting to this video. Kids singing Sexy Red at a party. Who is responsible for this? Who's responsible for this? Is it Sexy Red? Is she to blame? Are the parents to blame? Are these children who know all the lyrics? And I got the lyrics for y'all because I know that was a little hard to hear, but I got the lyrics for you. I'm going to show you what these looks like 3-year-olds are actually singing, and they know when to stop and they know when to start. So I guess that's supposed to make it right? Let me let y'all hear this again, and then I'm going to show you what they're actually saying. Let's go. Okay. Now, if all they were saying was hands on your knees, that would be no problem. There would be no problem with this video. You'd be like, oh, that's so nice. Those little beautiful kids singing about putting their hands on their knees. If that was it, then it wouldn't be a problem. But this is actually what they are saying. Here's the lyrics. This is what they're actually saying. Now I'm gonna play the video again, but this is what they actually say. Bend it over. Let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass. Hands on your knees. These kids know exactly where to stop, where to start. And they're chanting this song over and over again. Who is responsible for this? I'm gonna tell you who I believe is responsible for it. I'm gonna let you hear it again. Now that you actually seen the lyrics. Now that you've seen the lyrics, I'm gonna let you hear it again. Okay. All right. So this is what they're singing. They're not singing about Barney and singing children's nursery rhymes that are going to help them to learn how to spell, how to speak, how to act. This is what they know. And how do they know these songs? Because this is what's playing in their house. Parents, you got to pay attention to what you're listening to, because this is what they're listening to, and they're getting it from you. Hands on your knees. This is what they're listening to, and this is what they're becoming. Is it Sexy Red's problem? No. She put music out there for adults, trying to sell some records. She's in business. So who's responsible for this? And I want you guys to I want y'all to drop your comments down below on this. The kids know where the cuss words are. So why are they singing it? The children know where the cuss words are. They know where to stop. They know where to start. Somebody told them where to stop. Somebody told them where to start. Or they would just been singing it all. So here's what I really believe. Now, I'm gonna tell you who I believe is actually at fault here. The fathers. I know. Look, you're not on the channel that only blames women for everything. I'm telling you, the fathers are. Listen to me. Listen to this. So when my son was that age, and it came around Halloween one year, And my wife wanted to put my son in some goofball. I guess he was maybe going to be a meatball or an M&M or something weird like that. And I said, absolutely not. You are not going to make a fool of my son. Right? And guess what? He didn't wear it. Why? Because his father was on duty. You cannot tell me that those fathers there. You can't tell me that there's a father there. You can't tell me there's a father in that room watching his daughter pop it, lock it at 3 or 4 years old. You can't tell me there's a father sitting there, because he'd have been like, absolutely not. Training your daughter to be a stripper. This is stripper training right here. And I don't know where this little girl is going to be in her future, but this is her start. These kids have no idea what they're saying, why they're saying it, and the impact it's going to have on their whole life. I know somebody's going to be like, well, Kel, you're making a big deal out of nothing. It's just children. They're just singing a song. Today, look, and just like we sang ABCs, that impacted the rest of our lives. The ABC song. And all the other songs impacted our whole lives. This song right here will impact these 3-year-old children, 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 4-year-old children for the rest of their lives. Fathers, look, I'm not even getting on the women. I'm not even getting on the mothers on this. Fathers, you better get control of your kids. You better get control of your daughters. Get in there, take control of what's happening, because I can tell you there's a mother that told these little kids that this was okay. A father didn't sanction this right here, because he already know. He can see, he got good vision that this is stripper training. This is teaching these girls sexualization at a young age. Y'all saw the lyrics. This is sexualizing children. And it's wrong. And I'm telling you, somebody better say something or it's going to get worse. You guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. We got more. Hit it next time.